Young from Bobcat. Today we'll learn about the maintenance of the forklift fuel filter. Now, the fuel filter is an important component that enhances the combustion efficiency of the engine and improves fuel efficiency. Next to me is senior expert Daniel Yu, a Bobcat forklift service specialist, and he will go through all the details of the function, structure, replacement cycle, and replacement method of the fuel filter. Hello, senior expert.
Hello.
Now, first of all, could you explain the function of the fuel filter, please?
Yes. The fuel filter removes impurities from the fuel and supplies clean fuel to the engine, thereby increasing the engine's combustion efficiency. Clean fuel improves the engine's combustion efficiency and enhances the fuel efficiency. Unlike cars, forklifts are used in various environments and in places with many contaminants, so there is a possibility of fuel contamination, which requires periodic maintenance of the fuel filter. Additionally, moisture can occur inside the fuel tank due to temperature differences, so it is essential to manage the fuel filter to remove such impurities and moisture.
I see. Then what is the structure of the fuel filter?
Well, inside the fuel filter, there is a filter element and a water separator is also installed there. The water separator is equipped with a sensor, and when moisture accumulates, an error code appears on the dashboard. Now, when an error occurs, you need to remove the water and contaminants. You can separate the fuel filter and discharge the water and contaminants.
Thank you. So how often should the fuel filter be replaced?
Well, I would say for the latest model, the 9 Series engine 2-ton class, the fuel filter should be replaced every 500 hours or every 3 months. When replacing the fuel filter, you can either replace the entire fuel filter or just the filter element.
I see. Now, senior expert, could you please also explain the method of replacing the fuel filter?
Yes. First, to replace the fuel filter, you want to park the forklift in a safe place and turn off the engine before starting the work. Then, disconnect the harness and fuel hose connect to the fuel filter. Now, at this time, fuel may leak, so be sure to wipe and clean any leaked fuel. Then, install the new fuel filter, assemble the fuel filter cap, and reconnect the fuel hose and harness. After all the replacement is complete, you need to remove the air from the fuel system. So remove the air bleeding plug and operate the pump several times to remove the air. When fuel comes out, it means all the air has been removed, so you can reassemble the plug. This entire procedure must be performed to remove air even if other parts of the fuel system are replaced.
Thank you so much for your explanation. Today, we covered the maintenance of the forklift fuel filter. Now we know that periodic maintenance and replacement of the fuel filter are vital for maintaining engine performance and improving fuel efficiency. We'll come back with more useful information next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.